Hey everyone, welcome back to MS Extra Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you quick and easy way to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end and don't forget to like and share this video. So let's get started. So friends, first open WhatsApp application on your mobile. Then tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner. You can see an interface like this. Now choose Settings menu and tap on it. After that, scroll down and select Chats option and tap on it. Here you can see an interface like this. Now select and tap on the Theme option. Now choose Dark Mode option and tap on the circle button at the left side. Finally tap on the OK button bottom of the right corner. Boom! It's successfully done. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.